Tell me that's not the easy way to do it. No damage to your hub. It might be a little bit warm, but now our race is sitting right here. Hey guys, welcome back to the JPN Performance channel. Today we're going to talk about bearing race removal off of a hub. So actually currently working on a Miata. I've got it up on the lift here, and the rear wheel bearings are bad. And so when you press the hub out of the bearing, what happens is the race stays on the hub. And what a lot of people will do is they will put it in their vise and they will cut it with a wheel. But oftentimes you will get into your hub and slice into the hub, which can cause a couple of different problems. You can have a stress riser, which can obviously be a failure point right there. So I came up with a different idea and it works great, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So real simple setup. I've got my hub in my hand, and I've got a large socket bolted into the vise, and then I've got a taller one on top, and I'm just going to slide that over the hub. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my torch, and we're going to heat it up and turn it as we go, and it should fall right off. So the reason I've got it up on here so I can turn it easy, right? So just put a little heat on it and just keep it turning. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand the race. There it goes. Tell me that's not the easy way to do it. No damage to your hub. It might be a little bit warm, but now our race is sitting right here. There you go. Thanks for watching.